What's up, everyone? This is Seth with The Landing Page Dude, and today I'm going to be showing you a new project we're working on, as well as a project we are just completing for a client. What you're looking at right now is a theme that we are designing and developing for Webflow and Shopify. This is going to be our agency's first theme that we sell publicly, and it's something we've been working on for the past few months. We're taking everything we know in our experience, aggregated across thousands of different campaigns and landing pages that we've developed and designed, and we're building it into one Shopify theme. Now, the mission with this theme is we want to make it universal. So no matter what you're selling, if it's shoes, if it's lipstick, if it's fitness products, that you can use it. And it's heavily inspired after some of our best campaigns that we've worked on, as well as some of the top selling brands on Shopify. So we borrowed what we knew was working well for them. A lot of these brands on Shopify that are selling in the hundreds of millions of dollars a year, they obviously spend a lot of money optimizing and doing their CRO. So we'd like to borrow and emulate from those who do it the best. But the main mission is that we want to give you the ability to have an absolutely beautiful theme that's high converting. It's mobile first, so it's designed and developed in mobile. Everything looks absolutely beautiful, sharp, clean, and designed for mobile traffic. We also want to get rid of those monthly reoccurring fees. A lot of clients that walk through our agency that we build Shopify stores for, they're using 5 to up to 20 different apps, and when you add all these apps up, they could be a couple $100 up to over $1,000 a month. So some of the things we're doing is we're building like native bundle widgets so that you could add any product here, and when you click on that product, it's automatically going to apply to the cart, and these numbers will update. This is just the front-end HTML that you're looking at, so it's not yet dynamic, but the idea with this is that you're going to have an area here. You're not going to have to use an app or pay monthly, but you'll be able to park your products here and then one click add them to the cart. And when you look at it on mobile, it's absolutely beautiful as well. Simple and it's clean. Another thing as well is if you look on mobile is that sticky add to cart. There's no need to be paying monthly for that. We're going to make it native for you. And many other things that we're going to be adding, things that you're not going to have to pay for. We're going to do it all natively for you. So this is what the homepage looks like from top to bottom. We wanted a very simple hero. We didn't want to overcrowd. We wanted to use white space and really optimize this top fold real estate. We wanted to make everything clear, as well as try to raise that average order value by having that bundle selector. But we also wanted to build trust, and that's why we have a lot of the white space, a lot of spacing, and these little trust icons right here. Underneath, we're using what is now the super popular text marquee. This is just going to be words and text that you can use that really speaks for your brand and speaks to your customer. Under here, again, this is a theme that's inspired by a lot of top Shopify brands. This section we absolutely love, not only because what it looks like on desktop, but for what it does on mobile. And keep in mind, if you're watching this, I should be showing you all of this in mobile. 80% of your traffic is going to be on mobile, and this has to be the viewport that you obsess over, not desktop. This has to be where you have to be, tweaking, testing different things, and making sure that shopping experience is absolutely perfect. But if you look at that section, it's clean, it's simple, it's digestible, it's animated, and we're using almost like bulletins with the bold headlines and the simple text underneath. Is we want things to be digestible. We don't want to have a page that's just full of paragraph text. We want people to see things that are very clear and very visual, and train the eye to read things easily. We don't miss on an opportunity to upsell. And then finally at the bottom, we're going to be having a widget where you'll be able to integrate with any of your Shopify app. And the good thing about this widget is that you're just going to one click and find your review app, if it's Judge Me, if it's Luke's. And if you ever want to change it, you literally have just to go to that widget, click on it, and change it. So this will be the product page, and we're making 3 variations. So part of this theme is you're going to be getting 3 different product pages. This is the first variation. The second thing that I wanted to show you is we're also going to be building this native bundle builder. And you're not going to have to spend money on apps. This is going to be all native. And the way it's going to work is you'll be able to create these different bundle collections. So think of this as a collection page, but it's for building bundles. And you'll be able to build as many as you want. Maybe you want to build one for Valentine's Day. Maybe you want to build one for Christmas. You could build whatever type of collection you want in terms of bundling. You're going to add your products, and your customer is going to be able to add whatever they want. And it's not dynamic yet, but here, when customers start to add products, they're going to be able to see their discounts as they add more in real time. So it's a very cool way. That box follows them down, and on mobile, it looks absolutely amazing. Just going to be able to add all your different options here and continuously build. And we think this is going to work really well. You'll be able to send traffic to this. If it's paid traffic, organic traffic, whatever it is, I think for certain holidays and certain use cases, you can really use a page like this to sell a lot of product, increase your AOV, and give customers a very simple way of buying. Remember, if they do want to look more into the product, they can always just click on the image and go to the product page. But the idea here is we want to create a bundle page and allow users to quickly add to the cart. This theme we're looking at getting onto Webflow and Shopify around May 15th. It may take an extra week or not. You never know when you're in development, all the different tweaks, but when it is live, we will be selling it for a very fair price. Now, I say that because we want people to test this. So if you're watching this video and you want to test this theme, comment below, send us an email, and we'll be sure to make a note under your email and name that when we do launch the theme, we'll give it to you at an extreme discount because you were interested, you were loyal, and you invested into watching this video and asking for this theme. So if you do want to test it, if you sell on Shopify, just comment and ask for it. We will give you an insane discount just to get your feedback. Sound good? Awesome. Now, on to the next. For many of you that don't know, I am born and raised in Toronto, Canada. And I have the TikTok app. And for a really long time, I was seeing this awesome company that was selling weighted blankets and mattresses and beddings. If you guys don't know, I'm very big on the way I sleep. I invest into a lot of money into good mattresses and linen and things that make my sleep as comfortable as possible. So that's probably why I was being targeted. So I was seeing their ad, and their ads on TikTok and the videos are really, really good. If you haven't seen it, go check out Hush. And out of nowhere, I got a call from a company that wanted a landing page, and it was Hush. It was almost like a manifestation. I was watching them on TikTok, I was going through their product store, and then a week later, they were contacting me. It was a really cool experience. But to cut the story short, Hush approached us, and they wanted to create a series of different landing pages to A/B test, or should I say multivariate test, because they've ordered more than 2. And what we did is we created a mobile first landing page for their sheets. They sell these sheets that are microgravity sheets, and they're very, very, very popular. And they wanted us to create a landing page to test against their current control. So this is what it looks like on mobile. One of the big things they have is they give away a free pillow set with every purchase. So we wanted to put that offer right up at the top and animate this free button so we can give it some excitement, and you'll see that shortly. Underneath, when we go into selecting the variants, this is a slider. This way you could park as many as you'd like without taking up all the real estate. It just slides from left to right, and the customer can choose what they want just by sliding and clicking on it. And when you click on it, the words here will be dynamic, so the user knows what they're clicking on. Underneath, we have our selectors for the sizing, and then we have these add-ons. So if you want to get the sheets, you could also get the duvet cover set. And from here, you're able to select the colors, and then finally, add to cart. And when you look at that journey, if you're a customer, you're seeing the initial price. You're seeing that you get a pillow set for free, so you're now more likely to add to cart. You're choosing your color, you're choosing your size, and you're building down as you get to the add to cart. There's always this argument about the add to cart being before, the upsells being before or under the add to cart. It totally depends. I always say test it. For this use case, we thought it'd be much better that if they were going vertically down, building, and then finally approaching that add to cart. And this number would be dynamic based on what they selected. So if they only wanted the sheets, it'd be $135. But if they added the add-on, it would then double up. I believe $270. Finally, we have our trust badges. And then we have this cool new section that we're using. It's kind of like an FAQ accordion that you use, but it's for customer reviews. And it's going to be open, but it's going to give users the ability to close it if they don't want to read all of them. But obviously, we want to show all the reviews up front, where customers can then get more social proof and be more likely to add to cart. Underneath, we have our text marquee with the animated logos. More opportunities to add items. If you're going to buy sheets, you're most likely going to buy pillows. When you go and you buy stuff for your bed, you're usually buying multiple things, and we wanted to build that experience. So here's another section for that. Finally, we go into the benefits, the features, the details, and the specs. Beautiful lifestyle images, all the different benefits, the reviews, bottom benefits for all those that get there, and of course a special message from the founder. And the way that looks, mind you, my computer's a 24-inch Mac, so it may look a bit more spread out, but the way that does look on mobile is it looks absolutely perfect. See how your eye automatically goes into that free? See what this looks like. And this is in HTML, so this is just the front end. It's not yet dynamic on Shopify. It will be very soon, and I'll make another video on that. And of course, we're going to integrate the reviews there. That's going to be a widget, one-click review with anything they want. They can always change it, and that's how we build it in Shopify. And finally, the video. Let me know what you think. I love this page. It functions very beautifully. And we even have on desktop. So we designed the mobile different. If you notice that, look at this section on desktop. You see this? Now on mobile, you're not going to be able to accomplish that. So we designed a section completely different. It's all about the detail and that mobile experience. That's the video for today. I will be making more. I know it's been a while, but a lot of exciting things are happening, and very soon I'll be sharing more and more. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and thank you for your time. I'll be back again. Have a great day.